Hey everybody, it's Walker at Full Spectrum Laser, and today I'm going to show you how to connect to the software on your laser. First, you'll want to power your machine on. Once it homes, we'll hit agree. One way to connect is wirelessly. We're going to go to our network tab and select our wireless network. Now we're going to punch in the password, our secret passcode. And we're going to hit confirm and go home. You'll see the wireless IP address up at the top of the screen. And we're just going to open up a browser and punch that same number inside of the browser. Keep in mind that it does not need to be online, it just needs to use a browser. And now we're connected. If you find that wireless connection is not for you, you can connect via an Ethernet cord or hard connection. Simply plug it into your computer and plug the other end into your laser. It's important to note that if you don't have an Ethernet port on your computer, you can purchase a USB to Ethernet adapter to work with any computer. Once connected, we're going to grab our wired connection and punch it into the browser. And that is how you connect a hard connection on your laser to the software. And now you're ready to go. And there you have it. It's really that simple, guys. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments section or contact support@fslaser.com. Until next time, keep making.